Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Lutfi Faza Abdiansyah and I come from Universitas Negeri Semarang. In this presentation, I will present about my final project, English for Information System, and I will present the title of my essay is When Machine Decide the Moral Cost of Everyday AI. We will explore the hidden ethical issues behind the AI system we interact with every day. The first slide is I will explain about my objective project. The first is to analyze the main ethical challenges AI poses in this daily life. And the number two is to evaluate issues around privacy, bias, transparency, and also governance. And then the number three is to propose practical strategies to integrate AI responsibly into our routines. By the end, you will have a clear idea for how to use AI more thoughtfully. And then I will explain about my introduction essay. So, what is AI? Artificial intelligence or AI refers to computer system that designed to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as learning, reasoning, and also decision making. So, in this daily life, AI powers voice assistants like a Siri and a Google Assistant, and then like a recommendation engines like the Netflix and at the Tokopedia or other e-commerce. And the last is like a smart device like the thermostats and the security cameras. So this is given its ubiquity, it's crucial we need to understand of its ethical impacts. So the next is I will expand about the privacy and the surveillance. So AI system collect a massive amount of personal data like our voice recordings, shopping habits, location history, even the facial features. For the Mittelstadt et al. At 2016 warned that this data collection can erode our privacy and open the door to misuse. To address this, we need privacy by design. Privacy by design is building system that protect our privacy from the ground up, and transparent data policies that give people a real control over their information. And then the next is I will explain about the algorithmic bias and fairness. In today, AI learns from a historical data which may carry bias based on the race, gender, and also the socio-economic status. So, a famous example of the case study is the Compass Recidivism tool, which assigns higher risk score to black defendants than to white defendants with similar records. Now, to combat this, we need to diverse training dataset, ongoing bias audits, and participatory design involving affected communities in the development process. And then the next is transparency and explainability. Deep learning models often make decisions without clear explanation, making accountability difficult. In areas like healthcare or finance, people deserve to know why an AI system reached a particular conclusion. So the techniques in explainable AI help by providing understandable justification. Regulation such as the Europe's GDPR even grant individuals a right to explanation, emphasizing the needs for transparent AI. And then the next is employment and social interaction. Automation can display workers in routine roles, such as administrative assistant or factory line workers, but it also creates new positions requiring different skills. Ethically, we must support reskilling programs and ensure the economic benefits of AI are shared fairly. On the social side, recommendation algorithm can trap us in echo chambers, limiting exposure to diverse viewpoints. Designer must build platforms that foster healthy and balancing conversation. And then the next is responsibility and governance. who is responsible when AI causes harm? Determining liability, whether it lies with developers, companies, or users, is complex. To address this, organizations should produce algorithmic accountability reports, conduct independent audits, and submit to oversight by multidisciplinary ethics committees. International standards and clear governance frameworks will help ensure AI is developed and deployed responsibly. So the last is the conclusion. First is ethical AI demands robust privacy protection, bias mitigation, transparent system, social resilience measures, and clear governance. And number 2 is embedded ethics throughout AI development, safeguard human dignity, equity, and trust. In summary, ethical AI in everyday life requires like strong privacy protection, bias mitigation through diverse data and regular audits, and transparency and explainability so users can understand AI decision. And then social and economic resilience, so users can reskilling and fair benefits distribution. And then the last is clear governance and accountability mechanism. So that is the conclusion of my presentation. By embedding this principle into every stage of AI development, we can harness its benefits while preserving human dignity, fairness, and trust. And then the last is, I have selected 10 references relevant to the ethics of AI use in everyday life. This reference contain interesting content for discussion on the ethics of AI use. So that is the end of my presentation. Thank you for listening. I hope this presentation gives you a practical insight into the moral cost of everyday AI. I'm happy to answer your question in comment below. So thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.